Welcome to Natural Living Guide, your go-to channel for natural health solutions. If you're struggling with uncomfortable bloating or gas, you're in the right place. In today's video, we'll share effective home remedies that can help you beat bloating and gas fast. Let's dive into these simple yet powerful natural solutions that can bring you quick relief. We've all been there. That uncomfortable, too full feeling after a meal. It's called bloating, and it's a common digestive issue that many people experience. Gas builds up in your stomach and intestines, causing discomfort. This makes you feel full and your belly looks bigger, often leading to a tight, stretched feeling. Bloating can be painful and embarrassing, but don't worry, there are ways to manage it. There are things you can do to feel better, like using a hot water bottle or drinking herbal tea. Simple home remedies, such as ginger tea or peppermint, can help alleviate the symptoms. Let's learn about bloating and how to find relief through various methods. We will explore the causes and discover effective natural remedies that can ease your discomfort. This guide will give you the tools to feel better and manage bloating effectively. Remember, listen to your body and practice gentle activities like yoga or meditation. If you have concerns, consult a healthcare professional to get personalized advice and treatment. Bloating happens when gas gets trapped in your digestive system, causing discomfort and a feeling of fullness. This can be caused by several things. Some common culprits are eating too quickly, which is more common than you might think. When you eat fast, you swallow air along with your food, which can lead to bloating. This air can get trapped in your stomach, causing discomfort. Carbonated drinks are another major cause. Sodas and other fizzy drinks release gas as you digest them, which can lead to bloating and discomfort. Food sensitivities also play a role. Some people are sensitive to certain foods like beans, dairy, or gluten. These sensitivities can cause gas and bloating. Irritable bowel syndrome, or IBS, is another common cause of bloating. IBS is a common disorder that affects the large intestine, leading to symptoms like bloating, pain, and irregular bowel movements. Understanding the cause of your bloating is the first step to finding relief. Identifying triggers can help manage symptoms. Keep a food diary to track what you eat and how you feel afterward. This can help you pinpoint specific foods or habits that contribute to your bloating. Ginger has been used for centuries to aid digestion. It has anti-inflammatory properties that can help relax the muscles in your gut. This can reduce bloating and gas. Making ginger tea is easy. Simply grate a small piece of fresh ginger root. Add it to a cup of boiling water and let it steep for 5 to 10 minutes. You can add a touch of honey for sweetness. Drink ginger tea after meals to help prevent bloating. Its soothing warmth and digestive benefits can provide quick relief. The power of peppermint oil. Relief in every drop. Peppermint oil is another effective home remedy for bloating. It contains menthol, which has a calming effect on the muscles of the digestive tract. This can help relieve gas and bloating. Add a few drops of peppermint oil to a carrier oil, like coconut oil. Gently massage this mixture onto your abdomen in a circular motion. You can also add a few drops of peppermint oil to a diffuser. Peppermint oil should never be ingested directly. Always dilute it with a carrier oil or use it in a diffuser. Fennel seeds, tiny wonders for digestive comfort. Fennel seeds are a popular remedy for bloating and indigestion in many cultures. They contain compounds that relax the intestinal muscles, helping to relieve gas and bloating. You can chew on a teaspoon of fennel seeds after meals. Another option is to make fennel tea. Simply crush a teaspoon of fennel seeds and add them to a cup of boiling water. Fennel seeds have a slightly sweet, licorice-like flavor. They are a gentle and effective way to ease digestive discomfort. Preventing bloating tips for a happy belly. While home remedies can provide relief, prevention is key. It's always better to stop bloating before it starts rather than dealing with the discomfort later. Here are some additional tips to avoid bloating. Eat slowly and chew your food thoroughly. This helps your digestive system break down food more efficiently. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water. Water aids digestion and helps prevent constipation, which can contribute to bloating. Limit your intake of carbonated drinks and chewing gum. These can introduce excess air into your digestive system, leading to bloating. Get regular exercise to keep your digestive system moving. Physical activity helps food pass through your digestive tract more quickly. Identify food sensitivities through an elimination diet. Keeping a food diary can help you pinpoint which foods cause bloating. Remember, everyone's body is different. What works for one person might not work for another, so it's important to find what suits you best. Pay attention to what triggers your bloating and make adjustments to your diet and lifestyle accordingly. Small changes can make a big difference. Bloating is a common and often easily addressed issue. With the right approach, you can minimize its impact on your daily life. By understanding its causes and incorporating these natural remedies and lifestyle changes, you can find relief and enjoy a happier, healthier gut. A balanced diet and regular exercise are key. If you experience persistent bloating or other digestive issues, consult a qualified healthcare professional for personalized guidance. They can provide tailored advice based on your specific needs. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Natural Living Guide for more natural health solutions. Stay healthy and see you in the next video. Disclaimer: this video is intended for educational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. Please consult a healthcare professional before trying any new remedy, particularly if you have underlying health conditions. Stay informed and take care of your health.